Hey everyone,
And
welcome
welcome
to our
back to our
channel. In today's
channel and
video,
welcome
we will
back to
guide
our
you how to create Snapchat account on iPhone. So let's get started. First, download Snapchat from our App Store on your iPhone. Then simply open the Snapchat icon on your home screen to launch the app. Then once you open the Snapchat, tap on sign up button to create a new account. Now provide Snapchat with your first name and last name, then tap on continue button to proceed. After you give them your last name and first name, simply give your birthday. Now choose your birthday date and month and continue button to proceed. After that, they will provide you username. Then again continue with the process and set a password for your account. After that, again continue with the process. Then Snapchat will ask you to verify your email address. Simply write down your email address on the box. Then you will receive a verification code via email address that you will need to enter to verify your email address as well in future. Then after you write down your email address, continue with finish to proceed. Now verify them your mobile number if you want to, or else you can just skip this process as well. Like I've skipped this process. After that, you will be navigated to add friends. For now, I've skipped that process, but if you want to add any friends, then Snapchat will provide you with the list of friends and you can just click on the checkbox and add them. But for now, I'm just skipping them. Now you can create your Bitmoji and just continue with the process to create them, but as I've skipped them as well. Once you have completed the sign up process, you'll be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. From here, you can start taking photos and videos, apply filters and lenses, and send snaps to your friends. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Snapchat account on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.